Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this part of a logo that they just want to know how it would be easily drawn. This type of thing you could probably almost trace. Let's try that first. I'm going to make a duplicate of it, put it over there. It's pretty small. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace Clip Art. This is going to be real easy to draw, but if you see how it traced perfectly, that's what I would do if you need that exact shape. Now, the other way to do it would be to take your polygon tool, set it on three sides. I'm not going to try to mimic it perfectly, but I'm going to do like right there. And with my ratio lock, I'm going to make it 1 inch big. So 1 inch is from that node to that node. I am going to take a ellipse and I'm going to make it 1 inch. So I've got my ratio lock, so I only have to hit it once. I'm going to grab both these and hit P and put it in the center of the page. Let's bring this over. And then hit B like in bottom and it'll put it at the bottom. We know that this is 1 inch. So let's set our nudge factor on 0.5. Grab just that ellipse and put it to the bottom, and now it's right in the center. Now you can kind of pick which way you want to do outwardly or inwardly. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to make it, let's say 0.75. Well, that's going to be pretty close. And then just delete some lines you don't need. Like we don't need that line. We don't need that line or that line. And let's trim these lines that kind of intersect. We want to keep the round lines, I would think. And then let's set our nudge factor. This is still just 1 inch. It didn't change. Let's change our nudge factor to 2. And let's take the Smart Fill tool. I'll even got it set on a blue. Whoop. And there you have a good crisp vector image of that. And that's pretty close. Theirs is a little bit fatter. Now in this case, you can't do this because it's going to make an oval. So you could start over or grab it from this corner one and just make it a little bit bigger. And that's going to make it a little bit fatter altogether. Pretty easy to draw and really easy to trace. I think the trace one, let's turn this one blue again. Well, matter of fact, let's use the blue from the we'll use the color eyedropper tool. Take that, put it there and there, and you've got it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.